Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 15T. In this video I'll show you how to manage IR remote. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and find IR Remote. The IR Remote is called XIAOMI Remote. Enter it and tap Add Remote. Here select device, Mi TV, set-top box, AC, fan or more. For example, let's select TV. Select brand of your TV. For example, let's select Samsung. Make sure that TV is on. And now point the remote at TV and tap the button. Confirm if it works. Now name your remote. You can next add shortcut to remote, confirm, and it's done. Thanks to this remote, you can turn the device on or off, change source, go to menu, check info, change volume and change channel. Of course, the remote is different for different devices. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.